Staying on the topic that we were on, September of 2020, was it? You first meet Mr. Robinson?
That's correct.
You're with Detective Dishman, your colleague?
Yes.
Never met him in person before?
No, sir.
Had spent months investigating this case, getting the descriptions of a shooter that was 5'5", 5'8", 5'9".
Sustained.
So, officer, there's CAD notes in this case, right? Call action detail notes.
Yes.
You've collected those, you've reviewed those.
Yes.
And your colleagues, as they were under the stress of the moment, were calling out over the radio the height and the weight of the person that they saw, right?
Yes.
And it wasn't just one, it wasn't just Officer Collins, there was another officer, Graham, right?
I vaguely remember, yes.
They both gave descriptions of the person that them as seasoned officers saw with their own eyes, right?
Yes.
You also have the civilians that saw the shooting, right?
Yes.
Mr. Robinson's in an interview room. You come into the interview room, he's sitting down, right?
Yes.
You talk to him for a minute, he hasn't stood up yet, right?
I don't know if it was a minute. I think he almost immediately asked to go to the bathroom.
Then he walks out and he goes to the bathroom.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Is that correct? I wasn't.
That's accurate, yes.
As he's walking back in, and this is the first time he's standing up, you make a comment, "You're a lot bigger than I thought you'd be,"
Yes.
right?
I said yes.
Not, "You're the exact same size of the shooter that I've been investigating." Either consciously or subconsciously, you say, "You're bigger than I thought you'd be," right?
I've already answered this, but yes.
Please answer it again. They're not objecting. You don't get to make that choice.
Yes.
All right. Now, it wasn't just about his weight, was it?
It was about his weight.
And why didn't you say it before he stood up?
I vaguely remember being in that room briefly. I don't think we made too many comments to each other.
If I'm sitting down, you can tell from my face, from my body, you can tell if I'm wide-shouldered, right? You can't tell my height until I stand up.
At that point, I don't remember looking at his body. I was looking at his face, and then I think he asked to go to the bathroom. And then as he comes back from the bathroom, that's when I make the comment.
You agree that you made the comment?
Yes, I've never done that.
Yeah. My client was arrested that day?
Yes,
You didn't take any photos of him, did you?
we did not.
No. One moment, Your Honor. I'm showing you one of the government's exhibits, but you guys took photos of Dominique Barner, multiple photos.
Yes.
So, understanding that we may have a recording, we could have had photographs just like this for this jury to see his exact size on that day,
Correct.
but you chose not to take photos.
With respect to Dominique Barner, the tattoos that he had at that date and time were the reason he was photographed.
Isn't the first photo with him with a shirt on?
Yes, they do overall photos.